Tripped sent me these beautiful teal packing cubes for my review, and if you've never used packing cubes, you are truly missing out. It is such a great way to keep yourself organized and just to kind of fit more stuff into your suitcase. One of the things that I'm really loving about this company is the fact that these are so lightweight. Like honestly, they're almost see-through, which is really fantastic because it's not adding that extra weight to your suitcase. I do find most of the packing cubes are quite large and bulky, so these are really great. So these are those compression packing cubes, because I'm sure at first glance you look at this and you think, how am I supposed to fit any clothes in here? But you have this little extra zipper that once we unzip that, oh, here we go, we unzip here, and then check this out. Then it adds all of this extra space. So now I can open this up, and then now it actually looks like it can fit stuff inside of it. So this is really great. So you've got two of the extra large ones. I do love that they come with all these handles, so it's really easy just to kind of grab these and go. So these are the bigger ones. Stuff like this is where I'd be putting, like, you know, pants and sweaters or bulkier items. You have two of the smaller ones. Same thing, you've got that extra zipper here so you can compress them. And you know, once these are kind of filled to the max, I also like to then kind of lay on top of them and then zip that extra zipper down so it really keeps everything nice and compressed. And so yeah, then you have the two of the smaller ones. Then you have the sleeve, as they like to call it. This is really great for bathing suits and undergarments. And then one of the best things here I absolutely love is the laundry basket. I feel like I have not seen any of the other packing cubes come with one of these, which is really nice. And I love the way that it closes. So you just one of those, like kind of one of those fancy bags. You roll this over and then you clip it, and then you just kind of fill as you go. You can grab and go if you're going to a laundromat. So these are really great. Comes in lots of different colors. They do also have like different sizes and stuff. This is the 6-pack. You can also get 7, etc., etc. So yeah, if you are a traveler and are prone to overpacking, honestly, you need to get yourself these packing cubes.